Hi, I'm TJ Cummings, CEO and lead mentor at Rise to Succeed. I played 4 seasons of college basketball at UCLA, played 12 seasons of professional basketball in the U.S. as well as overseas. Even though I made a lot of money playing professionally, getting hired for commercials and music videos, I didn't know how to invest or how to navigate these different industries. This didn't serve me. To make sure that you don't make the same decisions that I did, I created a 10-week program focused on subjects like credit, corporations, marketing, and branding. I've also assembled a team of experts to make sure that you rise to succeed. I would like to invite you to join our family, and I look forward to working with you personally.